Hi, in today's video we are dealing with the drive belt or the accessory belt. Unfortunately we lost the sound while recording this video, so I'm having to do a voiceover. Please stay with me and I'll show you how to change the accessory belt in the next bit. Hi, in this video I'm going to change the accessory belt here on this Citroen Dispatch van. It would be the same if it's a Fiat Scudo or a Peugeot Expert. We're placing the tool on the bolt of the adjuster. Push in a clockwise manner to release tension on the drive belt. As you can see here, I've put a ring spanner on, showing you the adjuster from under the wheel arch. As you can see, the slight bit of movement. So using a spanner or a ratchet to give you a bit of leverage, push down, which releases the tension, and you can slide the belt off the pulley. It really is that simple and quick. There we go, one drive belt removed. Here I have it with the new drive belts to show you. On one side it is smooth, this goes around the back of the smooth pulleys, and the other side it is ribbed, and this has to go around the rib parts of the pulley wheels. Let's get on and refit this to the vehicle. Fitment is basically the same procedure but in reverse. Make sure all the smooth bits of the belt go around the smooth wheels, all the rib bits go around the ribbed wheels. Again, put the spanner on the tensioner, push down to release the tension, and then you can slide the belt over the wheels. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I try and post on a weekly basis.